Hi guys, so today I will show you how to get to the SQL network configuration. That is part of the SQL configuration manager. So it's very simple. You need SQL Server. You can go to Google, download SQL Server. You click on SQL Server, it will open, and then you can decide. Do you want the developer edition or the Express edition? Once that is installed, you open your run command by pressing the Windows button and R on your keyboard. Then you type in mmc.exe, which is for the Microsoft console. It's for the Microsoft Management Console. Once you're there, you click on File, Add or Remove Snapping. Click on it, and you'll see an option here as it's called the SQL configuration server configuration manager. You add it, and once you add it, you'll see it's under the console root. And obviously if you run into issues with installing or exposing the port you need to expose a port. You can, I think for SQL Server Network configuration, the port that you need to expose is 1433. You would just come in here, you click on it, you can open it. TCP/IP, that is the protocol that where the port must be. You must first enable it and then you can expose. If you click on IP addresses, click here on the bottom, you can expose that port. So yeah, that is how you get to the SQL Server Network configuration. Very simple, straightforward, and straight to the point. Thank you.